dear friends. Right now I am in the beautiful temple of CR Park, the Kalibadi as it is famously known as CR Park or Chittaranjan Park of Delhi. And whenever I come to CR Park, I always make it a point to visit this place, without any failure. And you can see the beautiful idol of Ma. She is so unique. She is blue in color. And being here in front of Ma in itself is a bliss and a blessing. And today I would like to share another important thing or ironical thing with all of you. Tomorrow is the famous festival of Yath Yatra of Jagannath ji or Jagannath Dev as we call. And Puri in Orissa, as all of you know, is the place where tomorrow the whole world comes up to witness this Yath Yatra of Jagannath ji. And in Calcutta, when I was growing up, the day before Rath Yatra, we used to get a lot of Raths, small miniature Rath everywhere in Calcutta. So I just thought ki here also, because I generally live here in Gurgaon or Gurugram as people say, and there you do not get a Rath to buy. So I just thought ki if I go to CR Park, because this is a very much Bengali area, so I'll be getting the Rath. So with that hope, we came to CR Park to buy a miniature Rath for our Jagannath ji at home. And we had been searching and scouring this place like anything to buy a Rath. But I don't know what to say. We haven't got any Rath. Many of the shopkeepers here there are two markets actually, market number 1 and market number 2 in CR Park. Then they asked us to go to another place which is very near to here called Govindpuri. You go there you will get the Rath. So we went there also, we tried every of the places, and also we tried the places, the shopkeepers who said ki you go there and you will get to buy the Rath over there. So we scoured the whole place, but the result is nothing. There is no Rath anywhere over here which we can buy. So yeah, but anyway, so this time also the Jagannath Dev in our home, he is going to be happy in the altar where his place is, and unfortunately I cannot give him or provide him a Rath at this time. And so I just felt like sharing this ironical thing with you. But in another side, because we came to CR Park, so coming and taking Ma's blessing is a must. So I wish all of you a very happy Yath Yatra for tomorrow, and God bless all of us. Ma bless all of us, and because tomorrow is Jagannath Dev's Rath Yatra, so Jagannath Dev also bless all of us. Thank you.